Well, I'm trying to get this dual camera thing to work. It's red because my ignition switch is red. I want to back up here and see if I can switch camera, see what happens. Alright. That's enough. Let's hit those rocks over there, huh? Oh, it's working good now. You gotta just slowly crawl out of there, huh? I'm not gonna crash. Oh, look at that. I'm in the same spot I was before. I'm gonna get on this for a second. You know, I'm just gonna pull forward a little bit and put it in reverse and just smash it out. Okay? See how stuck we get off of that. It drives good. I guess that's how you do it, huh? Look at all those tracks. I guess I just gotta let enough air out of the tires. Let's see if we can go get stuck a little more, huh? Shall we? Oh, we still got some tread to go. Here's some tracks. Go here, boy. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no, dude! That's stupid. I wasn't watching. I just got a high center on a rock, dude. Let's go see what we just got high centered on. High centered on a rock. Well, you know what I'm gonna do then? I'm just gonna put a rock in front of my tire. Let's put a rock in front of the tire and drive over the rock. Give me a off the ground. Let's see which rock. I can find the perfect rock. I need to get some backup lights, huh? Oh, I think I let enough air out of the tire, huh? That's the rock. That's the tire's gonna go up on rock. I'll find a little better one than that. Even better, perfect rock.